Nothing Phone 1 is retiring as the company announces that it's obtained its final update. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Nothing has officially drew the curtain over its first phone as its final supported software update's been delivered to users. The final patch is pretty light and users can expect general improvements and bug fixes along with overall system stability updates and the July 2026 security patch wrapping up 4 years of security fixes. Nothing also walked through the device's achievements, noting that it first debuted with Android 12 and that its final OS update brought it to Android 15. Not only did the Phone 1 begin our journey with Nothing, bringing the idea of a cleaner, more intentional smartphone experience from the Glyph interface and dot matrix design language to a more focused take on Android. Nothing credits its design philosophy to the Phone 1, as the lessons learned from it continue to shape its software and phones. To celebrate, its software marketing team members going to the Phone 1 for a month to share their experience with it in 2026 and see how it holds up. If we're talking about 4 years of updates, that takes us back to 2022. Nothing's first phone was coming soon in the summer of 2022, and there was some serious hype around it. Nothing had truly inserted itself into a market heavily dominated by Apple and Samsung. Wasn't easy, yet here we are. The device's Glyph Lighting system was a star in teasers, showing the phone in full shadow. Nothing's head of design, Tom Howard, said the clear chassis, which let us see its internals, was because they really wanted to bring the inside out. And that meant working with the engineers to start from first principles. Nothing's OG device is no more, and now the company is stepping into the new era of the Phone 4B. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.